One. So Luke, so good to see you. So good to see you. Really appreciate coming along for your quick shot.
No problem, no problem.
You know, I hear you doing such phenomenal work at Fastispeed. When you came, you're like, wow, but you have such a massive talent. You're packing it a punch in there, doing the web development, front end, now learning back end, and growing at a phenomenal rate. So Luke, what made you want to work at Fastispeed?
I just feel like it really sort of gelled with me. It sort of me as a personality, sort of using my creativity and spark sort of to develop
Oh,
websites and content for
well done, Luke.
businesses.
Oh, thank you so much, Luke. So, Luke, just a quick one. Why would you want, what would you say to potential clients and customers who want to use your skill set and what Fastispeed is offering?
I think one of the main things with Fastispeed is actually the funding. I feel that's sort of a massive part of Fastispeed, where it gives potential clients the opportunity to use our services even if they don't have, say, the money and the funding to actually use us, so that they can pay it back over time, which I think is a great attribute for the company.
And there you have it, Master Luke Burnley. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Professor of Fastispeed, going at a phenomenal rate, setting a blazing trend. Thank you so much. Great to see you, Luke. Thanks again.